Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how to bold text on Instagram post. It's a very simple and easy thing to do, so follow me till the end and I'll give you guys the idea of how you can do this. So I have this post right here. If I want to make sure that this caption right here is bold, click on edit. Once you do that, copy your caption. Now you can do this for something that isn't there, which means if the caption doesn't exist, it is a little easier. Once you have this copied, you can go back, open up your browser, search for bold text generator. Once you search for that, you can click on the first link that pops up. LingoJam works fine. Once you're here, quickly paste the text that you've just copied, and you will now see that we are getting options which are bold. Now, if you like something, just click on the text, copy it. Once you copy the text, you can go back to your post, delete the old caption, put in the new one, click on done, and you will now see that we have a bold caption available for our Instagram post. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to bold text on Instagram post. Hope you guys found this video helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.